As we get a look at this afternoon, scattered thunderstorms developing around 1-2 o'clock today, and then around 4-5 o'clock you can see things start to wind down. Temperatures will slowly drop into the upper 70s as we head into the overnight hours. Today it's going to be a hot one. We're talking upper 80s to low 90s this afternoon, and with that heat and humidity added together, it's going to feel like the triple digits out there for today. In fact, for the whole month of June so far, we have been seeing above normal high temperatures. So that trend will continue all the way through Friday. And then as we head into the weekend, those temperatures will finally drop back to that seasonal high temperature just in time for your Father's Day. Speaking of Father's Day, here's a look at that forecast. On Sunday morning, we'll start things off in the low 80s. Then by the afternoon, upper 80s and then mid 80s as we head into the 3 o'clock hour. But we still have the risk for thunderstorms even as we head into Father's Day as well. Your boating forecast for today: scattered rainfall, winds out of the south 5 to 10 knots, and then light chop on those inland waters. High tide is at 3:06 p.m. Low tide happened earlier this morning. All right, 7-day forecast looks like this: low 90s for this afternoon. We're going to keep things hot into the next 7 days ahead. Then we'll start to drop those temperatures back in the upper 80s Friday going into the weekend.